it on the brake. We have it on the car radio. And we also have it on my phone.
I think Jade's got a thought on me. Dave, close the window so the car. So that we don't get
close the window.
Yeah, close the window.
Anyways, hello.
I'm going to spend this on washing the car.
We are at the car wash at Shell in Highams Park.
I'm playing Fortnite. I've got back! There's pigeons on!
There's pigeons!
I bet he's gonna get splattered if he doesn't go off. I've got one pigeon go on the town. Oh god! Up there! Oh god! Oh, we're getting splattered! Oh god! Oh god! The kids in the machine will chop that down and he'll be looking everywhere.
One, two.
Oh!
It looks scary.
Oh no!
It looks scary.
1, 2, 3! At least we were like Top Gear when they had their windows smashed.
Yeah, I know.
And then their car exploded. And then their car exploded and set the car wash on fire.
Oh god, it's coming down! Oh god!
Coming.
Oh!
Coming down.
Oh! Oh! Oh god, this song's funny.
Yeah.
What do you know is funny? Oh! Oh god! Jade, you should go to car more often, Jaden.
Yeah.
If you sound your horn, it will call the police. We've called the site and if they call them, so you call them right, you need to warn them. Oh god! What's going up? Jaden, this is like a theme park ride.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Oh.
That's what the car wash is like. And mine.
Oh god, it's gone crazy on the top. Oh. Jaden, my guy installed the car wash in your bedroom.
Yeah.
Look at that giant mess and a giant volcano has exploded in your bedroom. Oh god, it's going out! It's coming again, I think! Or is it just drying our car? Oh, it's just a fan drying our car.
Yeah.
Oh, don't hit us! perfect. Oh, is it coming again? I think it's coming again. Oh, oh, the fan is above us. Whoa.
Right.
That was great, wasn't it? I still filming it
So
too.
that was the car wash.
That car was good.
Yeah.
I want to make the world's longest car wash because no one else has done it.
And the Shell Select shop. And there you go. So bye.